Report from Wajeer, a fort on the northern frontier of Kenya. Headquarters of the Police Camel Corps, a body that few people even in Kenya itself have ever heard of. The Corps patrol a stretch of tough border unprotectable by other means. A Pathé cameraman sought them out on hearing that Abyssinian tribesmen were on the rampage just over the frontier. Hereabouts, the Camel Corps exists not as a parade ground survival, but as a police unit based on Wajeer because it has the only water supply for scores of miles around. 2 white officers are in command. The men are Somalis. Flying from Nairobi, 450 miles south of Wajeer, a superintendent spotted borderland signs of marauders and flew on to Wajeer to give the alarm. The settlement had its usual quota of nomadic cattlemen bringing their animals to be watered. They have long relied on the Camel Corps to protect them against raiding tribesmen. And what a surprising facet of Commonwealth policing Pathé News reports in these unique pictures. Now the alarm. The Corps know those border raiders of old, but lately they've become bolder, crossing by day as well as night. They're lawless bands defying the authority of the Abyssinian government. And but for the Camel Corps, they'd have it all their own way. Out they go, keeping the peace in a far-off little corner of the world that's untouched by the atomic age. Nevertheless, they wouldn't surmount their troubles without the protection of the Camel Corps police.